Hello, hello, hello. This is David for Elizabeth Craft Designs coming to you with something new for the new year. Um, while you're watching this, it's probably the early January. So happy New Year to everybody. And I hope you get everything you wish for. And I hope you had a fantastic New Year's Eve. It's the 1st of January and we are launching a new stamp set. Just one stamp set. That's it. And I'll explain the story behind it in a second. But let's switch the cameras around so I can show you what is this set about, and then it'll all make sense. So what we have here is a stamp set that is called Dates to Remember, the CS439. And in there you've got this calendar grid, and you've got the January, February, March, all the months of the year, and some decorative stamps. So this is just one stamp set that we're launching. This is a stamp set that I initially designed for the Banff Creative Retreat, and the ladies there got this as a gift. However, this was so much fun that Els and Liz and everybody said, you know what, we're gonna make it available to all the crafters, to you guys. So it's out now, it's gonna be available in stores, and it's gonna be available on our website, just this step. Now, I'm gonna show you a little bit today of what you can do with it. Join me for the live on the 2nd of January. On Friday evening, I will show a complete make of a calendar, because that's the idea. You make an event calendar out of this. So I'm going to show you how to do that, and keep an eye out for the design team because they've got amazing samples. Now I designed this set to go perfectly together with this die set, which is the 2292, the Build-A Journal. That's the big page, the big journal. And you will see that this fits perfectly around the stamp to make a matte layer, and then it will build a journal. I will show you, or build an event calendar. Now this is the project we did at the Banff Retreat, and we created this fun journal, and I've decorated it afterwards. But here you can see already, like here, the 19th of January, that's my wedding day, so it's my wedding anniversary. So I've put this hard stamp there, and the arrows to make it visible that it's there. It's important, don't forget it. Here it's marked Valentine's Day, that is with this little stamp. So this way you can build an event calendar, and then I've got a clamp at the top and I just hang it up like this, and when the month is over I can switch it over to this. So that's the idea of this. So that's pretty cool, I think. And I've changed the colors around, etc. And you can go as crazy with this as you want, because I mean, if you see the samples from the design team, so many ideas. I've got a fun idea that I will do the 2nd of January. So yeah, I think this is a fantastic set. If you have this one, you will definitely need this one. If you think this is a nice idea and you don't have this one yet, get your hands on it, because it's a fun set. You can build a journal with it. You can make an event calendar. There's so much fun things you can do with that set, and especially the combination of these two. So beautiful month stamps, a calendar stamp, and decorative stamps that you can work with. So what I do, that's actually quite simple. I stamped out some of the calendar stamps, and then I'm going to take an acrylic block. So I've got them ready here. So let's start with January. You just take your stamp, and I will take a blue in this case. And I will stamp January in a fun color at the top. There we go. And let's say there's a birthday on the 5th, so I can take this little cake stamp, stamp that behind there, and you see the little detail in that fun little cake stamp. I love it. And you can make a circle around the 5 so that it pops up. You know there's something special happening there. Just write the name there and you're done. So that is how all these little stamps are intended, just to play with it. Now just gonna do one more, because there's also something special on the 19th. So let's do that, and then I will take the heart. Oop. I will just place a little heart behind there. There you go. So you can see you can really have fun with it. You can add little pictures of the people that its birthday is, or do that on the opposite side. I mean, if you do it like this, you can place a picture here of the person that is his birthday. Fun things you can do. So So loads of opportunities. So that's how it works. There's one last thing I want to show you. I'll do that on this sample because there's also a solid little stamp in there. That one is designed like if you have a month that only has 30 days. How do you do that? Well, you take your ink up your stamp, this one, the square one, and you just block out that one number. See that? So that's a way you can do that. Or you can take a sentiment strip and cover it up, or there's loads you can do. Place a picture there. Fun things you can do. So that is what we're bringing to you now. That is on the 1st of January, the CS439 dates to remember. For you, a fun stamp set to create a beautiful, beautiful event calendar with. So yeah, keep an eye out for the live on the 2nd of January. I'd love to see you then. And I hope you like this one. Have fun with it and enjoy. And I will see you soon. Thank you. Bye.